Into the realm of the PL-89, into the realm of the higher time, into the realm of, into the realm of, into the realm of the Messiah time. It is simple to sing the tune, match the sun up with the moon, with the sun and before the moon, as per Psalm 72. It's true. The two calendars are one. Match the moon up with the sun. Yaakov and Esav, Tikkun and Tohu. And with that our work it is done. And with that our work it is done. And with that our work it is done. Done. It's fun. It's fun. Almost like a cinnamon bun. But if I can balance this calendar, it would be great. Oh, no. Come on. And with that, no, I'm going to keep it going. Keep it going. Okay. And with that, our work it is done. And with that, our work it is done. It's fun. And with that, I'm going to keep the video going. No need to turn off because these things happen in life. Alright. Okay. And with that, our work it is done. Hope you guys are still watching. Alright. I'm going to put this over here. Alright. Please, just stay. Please, please. Remember some Birnbaum. 7th grade. Please. You know, you're never going to see the part. You get it. Please. Okay. Where was I? The two calendars are one. Match the moon up with the sun. Yaakov and Esav, Tikkun and Tohu. And with that I will get it done. And with that I will get it done. It's done, and it's fun. This is the PL-89 Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar. Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar, Friday, March 6th, 2026, and it is the 17th day of Adar, 5786. We're holding after Purim, and this is the Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar. It's the sun and the moon together. It's the Hebrew calendar and the Gregorian calendar together in one calendar. And on the day of the sun, today is March 6th. So the 6th is always going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's always going to be a box with a 26 printed on it, right here. Yeah. This one right here. This is box 26. And it's the 6th of any mutable month. For mutable, you can look up, do astrology, look up cardinal, fixed and mutable months. So March happens to be a mutable month because it's connected to Pisces. And all the other mutable months, like next one will be June /Sivan /Gemini. The next one will be, after that will be September /Elul /Virgo. And then after that it would be Kislev /December /Sagittarius. Those are mutable months. Months that move from one energy to another, that in one season, let's just say, one season to another. So right now we're in March, we're moving from the winter to the spring. That's what mutable means. So in Dispensation 3, every mutable month, the 6th day of the month will be in box 26. Okay? And enough about that. And that's for the sun. Now for the moon, Adar 17. Adar is also a mutable month. Sometimes they're not always aligned. Right now, Adar and March, they're aligned. But February is not a mutable month. February is a fixed month. Like Shvat was a fixed month. And so sometimes you have them, it's not exactly aligned. You'll have one side that's fixed and one that's mutable. But now we're in the same energy. We're really in that Pisces. Maybe we've even peaked already with the full moon on Purim, the Pisces full moon. And anyway, back to here. We're talking about the moon. The moon. 17th of Adar, the 17th day of a mutable month on this calendar will always, without exception, always be in a box that's printed 39. Okay? Right? So what's 26 and 39? So it's 50. And 15 is 65. So 65 is the number for today. And 65 has a numerical value of 139. And 139 has a numerical value of whatever it does. It goes on and on and on until a certain point where it starts to repeat. It will change. Like, 65, if you make 65 a word, it will become the number 139. And then you write 1 ONE HUNDRED and then THIRTY and INE. If you write that whole thing out, then that becomes another number. And then it keeps going until you get to a point where it's a number that I'll call the event horizon. For now, I'm calling the event horizon, making reference to the idea of a black hole. There's something that physicists or astrophysicists they call event horizon. Is a theoretical point where if it's crossed, then whatever crosses it will be in the black hole. It's a point of no return. So I make a reference to that. As far as the goal is to get there, because once you get to the black hole, so to speak, once you get to this infinite feedback loop, and you're done with a number, and you can go on to another number. So that's the process I've been working with and exploring what kind of application this can have. First of all, what kind of mathematics is this? I haven't gone to school for a while, but I pursued this mathematics. I pursue my own mathematical interests in my own way, the way I understand it. And that entails memorizing a certain amount of digits of pi. It has to do with, from what I've read, I'll call it pure mathematics. It's basically the study of numbers themselves. Or you could call it something new, the study of numbers and letters, alphanumeric mathematics. You can call it that, why not? Alphanumeric mathematics. And understanding the nature of how these numbers work and how many iterations you need to go until you come to a repeat. So that's where I'm at right now. And stay tuned.